In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download or export your Shopify theme. If you've ever wanted to back up your current theme or move it to a different Shopify store, you're in the right place. Let's take a step-by-step journey through this simple process that can save you time and give you peace of mind. First, you need to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your store. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You'll find a panel with various options that allow you to manage different aspects of your store. What you want to do here is click on Online Store. This option will reveal a set of secondary options, and from there, you'll want to select Themes. This section is essentially where all the visual magic of your store is made and managed. Now that you're on the Themes page, things get even more specific. Each theme you have installed will be displayed here. You need to find the theme you wish to download and export. Once you've located this theme, look for a small icon of 3 dots. This represents additional actions and options. Go ahead and click on this icon. It might be easy to overlook, but it holds the key to your next step. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, you'll see an option called Download Theme File. Selecting this option will start the process of exporting your theme. But before we can finalize this, Shopify wants to ensure they have the right destination for your theme file. Here, you will be prompted to confirm if it should be sent to the email associated with your Shopify account. Just go ahead and click on Send Email. Once you've done that, Shopify does its part of the job. The theme file will be sent directly to the email address that you have registered with your Shopify account. Now you can find it right there in your inbox, ready for you to download. Having the theme file means you can restore it whenever necessary or even share it if you're collaborating with someone else. And that's all there is to it. This process ensures that your theme is safely backed up, giving you security and flexibility. Remember, keeping backups of your themes is not just a precaution, but an essential part of managing a successful online store. Thanks for watching, and may your Shopify endeavors be ever prosperous.